Part 9, we were doing question number 3 of exercise 5.3. So question number 6. First from here I am taking question number 6, in which A is equal to 2, common difference is 8, sum of n terms is 90. This question. Find number of terms and an. Okay. A and D are given, so only this formula, we can use this formula first. If we apply this formula, then it will be equal to n by 2, 2a, 2 into a is 2, plus number of terms, we have to find out number of terms, into common difference. Common difference is 8. So common difference is 8. A plus n minus 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 90. So after writing, we can see that there is only unknown quantity n. So we can solve it to get the value of n. But maybe we will get quadratic equation, you will get definitely, and solving that quadratic equation to get the value of n. Okay, so solve this. D is 8. Here we can put, instead of D, we can put 8 here. No need of putting D here. D is 8. Which is 8. So 2 can be multiplied right hand side. So n is equal to 2 to the 4 plus 8 n minus 8. 8 will multiply inside. This is 8. And 90 will multiply with 2. 9 to the 18, 180. So we get n into 8n minus 8 plus 4. So minus 4 is equal to 180. And we can take 4 common, so that we can divide 4 commons. 4 to the 8, 2n minus 1 is left here and is equal to 180. So divide this also 4, or you can bring 4 this side. So divide both sides, 4, 4 cancel. We get 2n square minus n square is equal to 4 for the 16, 4 5 is a 20. Sorry, this is not n square. This is 1 is n square, 1 is not n square. 2 into n, 2 into n, 2n square minus n. 8, 10, 4 to the 8, 4 and so 4. Okay. We can write 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Now it is difficult to split this one. So we can use the formula n is equal to minus b, quadratic equation formula, plus minus under root b square minus 4 ac upon 2a. So n will be equal to minus 1, b is 1, minus 1, plus minus under root b square means 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 45. This is A is equal to 2 here, B is equal to minus 1 and C is equal to minus 45 divided by 2 into A. A is 2. So we get 1 plus minus under root 45. I will write directly on multiplying it. First multiply 45 into 8, 360 plus 1, 361. This will be 361 divided by 4. Okay. So 361 is the root of 19. So here we got 1 plus minus 19 by 4. Now taking positive sign. So n will be equal to 19 plus 1. 1 plus 19, 20 divided by 4. 20 by 4, that is 5. And when taking negative sign, n will be negative, which is not possible. Number of terms cannot be negative. So n is equal to 5. We got n is equal to 5. So we have to find n. Okay, we got the n. Now we have to find an. N is 5 means a5. That means we have to find an means a5. Number of terms is 5. So a plus 4d. Okay. So after this we come to this step. A5 will be equal to a. A is 2 plus 4 into common difference is 8. 8 4s are 32. So 34. So an is equal to 34. That's it. Okay. So this is our question number. Now question number 7. Here it is given as a is equal to 8. Always write the given values and then apply the formulas. That's it. Sn is equal to 210. This question I am doing, and 210, and find the value of n and d. You have to find the value of n and d. So here an and sn both are given. So an is equal to, if you will substitute the value of an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62. Okay, so you can put the value of a as 8 and you will have the equation in n and d. So 8 plus, put the value of a here, 8, n minus 1 into d is equal to 62, and this 8 will come on right hand side. N minus 1 into d is equal to 62 minus 8. So that will become 54. This is our equation number 1. Okay. Now take this formula. So this is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 210. Substituting the values, n by 2, 2 into a is 8 plus n minus 1, we don't know, d we don't know, is equal to 210. Now this 2 will come here, and we can write n into 8 2s are 16 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 420. 2 will multiply with 420. This is equation number 2. Now, instead of multiplying and subtracting, we can see that this value directly, this value n minus 1 into d is 54. And here also you can find n minus 1 into d. So if this will be replaced by 54, then we can get the value of n easily. Okay. So what we will write using or from first, you can say that from first we can put the value of n is equal to 16 plus 54. So in this way we can get the value of n easily. So 54 plus 60, 70. 50, 60, 70. So n into 70 is equal to 420. And n is equal to 420 divided by 770076 42. So n is 6. Now put n is equal to 6. Come back to this equation. I'm putting arrow so that you can understand. After this, you go to this step, then come back here. So we are putting n is equal to 6 in equation number 1. So n is 6 minus 1 into d is equal to 54. So 6 minus 1 means 5. So d is equal to 54 divided by 5. So common difference is 54 divided by 5. Yes, correct. So we got the common difference and number of terms. So finish. So therefore we got n is equal to 6. That was asked, n and d is equal to 54 by 5. Got it? Question number 8.